In this video, you'll learn how to set up a Wellerz Practitioner account, search for a Wellerz space, and apply to join a Wellerz space community. First, register for a Wellerz account. Click the Sign Up tab. Fill in your details. Choose to register. Look for an email verification from Wellerz. To activate your account, click the Verify Email button. If you do not see this email, do the following. Wait 1 more minute. Check your Promotions tab or check your spam folder. If you still do not see the Wellerz verification email, return to your sign-up page and click Send again for the verification email. Congratulations! Your Wellerz account is ready for you to set up your profile. To continue, sign in and set up profile. Here's how. Press the Sign In tab and sign in the way you registered. At your first login, you'll open up to your profile page. Here's where you enter all the relevant information for space owners to view your application. In order for owners to get to know you as a professional, be sure to include as many details as possible in your profile. The more detailed a profile you have, the easier it is for space owners to approve your request to rent a space in their Wellerz community. Include the requested details, your profile picture, your certifications or other relevant documentation. Then press Save. Note, you can edit your profile at any time. Now you're all set to apply to join Wellerz Spaces and book on demand. Go to the Wellerz homepage search box. Type in the area you'd like to rent a space. You can choose a zip code or an address. Press Search. You'll now see available spaces for the location you searched for. Want to specify your search criteria? Filter your search results by distance from your original search, how far you are willing to travel beyond the area you searched for. Price. Choose and click Apply. Room type. Choose and click Apply. Amenities. Choose and click Apply. You'll now see an updated list of spaces that suit your preferences. Click on a space you're interested in to see its full details. Here you will find out the professional qualifications to join this Wellerz community, view the amenities and the hourly rate, and read more about the space. Note, the availability section is grayed out until you are approved to book this Wellerz space. Want to apply for approval to book this space on demand? Click the Join the Community button. The button is now grayed out and says Awaiting approval. Once approved, you will receive an email with a link to begin booking time slots in this Wellerz space. You'll view the space calendar and book your rental hours with a click of a button. You can also view this space at any time under My Listings. For further booking instructions, watch the Booking Your Approved Space tutorial. You'll learn how to book hours, cancel hours, and manage clients, payments, and reports. In the meantime, you can continue to apply for approval on as many Wellerz spaces in as many locations as you desire. Thank you for joining Wellerz on-demand wellness space rental communities.